Welcome to the online instruction regarding the big blue button. If at any time we go into remote session, or for some reason we decide not to meet, we can meet online by using the big blue button, and this online instruction video is going to show you how to navigate that. So first of all, it is something like Zoom meetings in that you'll click on to a particular site, and I'll show you that in a moment. And these sessions can be asynchronous, that is, where it's not live and you're watching a recorded version of it, or it's synchronous, where everybody signs on at the same time. And for our purposes, that'll be the time and date of our usual class times. That's what we consider synchronous. You'll see in Canvas, there's a thing called conferences. You see it right down here. And when you click on that, you'll see on the next screen here in a moment, it will show you whether or not there's a particular conference that's available on the big blue button. It may even show that it's in session now. So for instance, I have some options. I can record it, I can make it unlimited, things of that nature, but that's more for me to worry about than you. As you can see on this particular page, it shows that a conference is in session. You simply have to go over here where it says start, and you'll join us. And when you join us online, it's going to look something like this. Now, usually I'll have a PowerPoint or other documents already uploaded. It will appear on this side of the screen. As you sign in, your name and or telephone number or any other identification number that you're using will show up here. And from that, I can take attendance, and I can also see who's online. There's also a chat box down right here where you can type in if you have a question or comment that you wish to make. And then over here are some options for me that, again, I can record, I can advance the PowerPoint, things like that. So if you were to sign on late and you came into Canvas and clicked on conference and it took you to this screen that it's already in session, you can still join us at that time. And finally, when the session is over, it will show it down in this box. And if it's been recorded, by clicking on this, you should be able to see the recorded segment for that particular course. So watch this again if you need to. We're going to be talking about it in class as well. But welcome to the possible use of the big blue button. Thank you.